You heard of blockchain, Web3, NFTs, crypto, yet you are still confused. Why is this all beneficial for humanity? You landed in the right place. All those questions will be answered for you today. By the end of this short video, you will understand why this new technology is going to revolutionize the whole world. So, let's get into this. Asking what is blockchain is just like asking what is internet.
Here's Allison. Can you explain what internet is?
Now, if you're a 90s kid like myself, we knew the internet as World Wide Web or the information superhighway. Back then, explaining the internet, you would not be able to comprehend the internet of today. Physically reading a newspaper or a book, now podcasts and audibles. What about driving to your local Blockbuster? Now, Netflix. Grocery shopping, job applications, meetings. These are all conducted online on the internet. But if you knew the technology existed, the possibilities are endless. So what is blockchain technology? Blockchain is a huge database, a record keeper of all transactions. Since this huge database is registering all transactions, technically there is no way to falsify any information because we now have a public record of all transactions. Here comes the real life example. My vehicle is owned by me. The only way I can prove that is with a pink slip. Insert NFTs. We'll get back to that later. Yet that pink slip is not enough. It needs to be registered somewhere, a database to show that I am the rightful owner of this vehicle. Now, if you live in California, the DMV has a database with all these transactions. Okay, let's go back to blockchain. Now that a universal database exists, enter Bitcoin. Now remember, blockchain is a technology just like internet is a technology. The internet has companies like Amazon, Netflix, and countless social medias. Blockchain also has companies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others. Basically, buying Bitcoin is like buying a stock into a company. Now, who controls the price of the stock? The people. And people are saying that digital cash, such as Bitcoin, is something that they would prefer to see in the future. Now, this is important. Why? A huge percentage of the population is currently unbanked. Now, if we didn't have access to a bank, think how difficult it would be to purchase your first car, buy your first home, get a business loan for that dream idea that you have. Now, for the first time, if you have access to a cell phone, you technically have access to a bank, meaning you would have access to Bitcoin, the new digital currency, and you now have access to decentralized finance, meaning banks in this new world. Now, Bitcoin is being adopted and accepted across the world at a faster rate of adoption than cell phones did. A recap, Bitcoin is a digital currency, sometimes called digital gold. NFTs. Remember that pink slip story? I could have easily forged a pink slip and claimed that this vehicle is mine.
Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude?
So what gives a pink slip its power? It's not the color. It's the registration behind it. It's registered in a database that this vehicle belongs to you. The pink slip is simply an NFT. It's a receipt. A receipt that guides you to the actual data center to confirm what that receipt says. Now, an NFT can be anything. It can be a pink slip. It can be the deed to your house. It can be the purchase of a bike, or it can be a piece of art. Now, the art world is going crazy with NFTs. Imagine owning the first canvas painting ever made. Currently, we are witnessing history. Artists are placing their digital art on the blockchain. These are the first art pieces that will exist on the blockchain forever.
Forever.
So in these few minutes, you got a better understanding of what is blockchain, Bitcoin, and NFTs. Thank you for sticking around.